Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 4,360. As per our advice, we expected the price to move above 4,420 towards 4,520s or 60s, or below this level to reach or create a new low. From there, we thought we can start trading. Right after the opening, you could see the price came down, tested 4,350s, and it gave a complete recovery towards 4,450. And nowadays, you could see within every single day, we are witnessing more than 80 points of price swing, and the volatility is quite good, and the price closed higher. Today it's expected to open somewhere near the same zone where it closed on the previous day. There is no change in our strategy. We don't want to trade in this retracement consolidation zone, and we made it very clear, let's wait for the price to come near 4,520, and then we can initiate selling till 4,600 by placing stop loss near 4,630. So this is our clear plan. We will start selling from 520 till 600, where we expect some strong resistance in this zone. We are approaching the contract expiry from the next week. The maximum retracement, we expect the price to stay below 4,600. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading, take care, bye.